This video shows how to replace the color imaging kit. The color imaging kit is accessible from the right side of the printer. Using the handle, open, then pull up door B. To remove the waste toner container, hold the top of the container and pull it out of the printer. To release the toner cartridges, press the button below the cartridges. Remove the toner cartridges from the printer. Unplug the short cable. To unlock the imaging kit frame, pull up the levers. Pull the imaging kit frame out slowly from the printer. Unlock the latches and take out the black imaging kit from the old imaging kit frame. The color imaging kit includes the 3 color imaging units and the frame with the drums. Insert the old black imaging kit into the new frame and lock the latches. Insert the new imaging kit frame into the printer. Pull down the levers to lock the new imaging kit frame. Insert the toner cartridges back into the printer. Be sure to reconnect the cable. Insert the waste toner container back into the printer. Close door B.